Hi everyone, and welcome back to Depicter. Collecting emails has never been so easy as it is now with Depicter. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to do that in simple steps. If you don't have Depicter, go to Plugins, add new plugin and search Depicter in the search bar. There it is, install and activate it. Claim this 100% discount code right now and leave a comment to let everyone know you've claimed it. Otherwise, the product will be removed from your account. Choose the Popup category, then the Grow Email List subcategory. Import any template you like. I'm gonna change the text's content and appearance, like the font and size. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. This right here is our form. Now you can add whatever you want to it from here. For example, I'm adding a form message which will be shown after someone has entered an email and clicked on the button. Now let's make the email input obligatory from here by enabling the required option. Let's preview. The pop-up looks nice. Let's test it. As you can see, you can't just leave the field empty or input any text, and it should definitely be an email. So let me input an email, and this is our form message. Let's publish, and in display rules, triggers enable this spend time on page. I'll set the duration to 4 seconds and publish. Let's preview. After 4 seconds, voila, there's our pop-up working just fine. Now let me input a couple of emails to see how they're collected. Now go to the Depicter dashboard, find your pop-up and click on the 3 dots, then leads. Here you can see all the sources you have for your leads. You can also see your leads by clicking on leads on the left sidebar. By clicking on each lead, you'll see the details. You can also download them as a CSV from up here. Alright, that's it everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know in the comments what you think. Ciao!